Hey guys, what's up? How are you today? So we are here again on the river. Nakatakas na naman tayo. So but today merong snowstorm. But hopefully we will catch a fish before the snow comes in. Okay, stick around guys. And by the way, ayun si Sean nandun sa kabila. Ayun siya. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa niya, anong hinahanap niya. By the way, I would like to thank Regina for sponsoring me this shot. Okay. Maganda ba? See? Real outdoors. Thank you again, Reggie. Man, hold on. Oh, let's use our net. You are?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Bahala ka dyan. Sige, kung magkasya sa net mo.
Yeah, net mo.
Ay, hindi na. Nag-change mind na ako. Nice. Awesome, eh? What can you say, Romel?
First fish of the season after Port Hope. What a fish with a big net. Hindi mo na yan, net mo.
Panet ka pa. There you go. Woo. Awesome, guy. Saan mo siya nakuha? You know.
Let go of my hook. I just want to take off the hook before you get started.
There you go, man. Awesome, eh?
But I gotta let him go.
He's a monster, and he has a rosy chick.
Thank you for playing.
Nice. Oh, big one. Oh, she's angry. Ayan pag tumatakbo siya, pabayaan mo lang siya. Just give him a tight line. Nice. Oh man, she's wrapped.
Rolling.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh.
Does it look like it's not?
No, wrap.
Wrap around.
Yep.
Sorry, just passing through. All right. I gotta help this guy.
Oh. I have a more 5 pound leader.
Look. Don't fall. Oh, no. Almost there. Yep.
She is a beauty, my friend. Oh, she's a monster.
Another BP.
She's a big mama.
Another BP.
She's a big mama, my friend. I caught her with a jig. See it? But she has a thing already. But still, she's a beauty and a monster. My friend, this is your jig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy.
Nice.
Ooh. Oh,
shit.
Oh. Oh shit. Shit, your GoPro. Shit, your GoPro.
What the heck?
What the heck, man?
She gave me a hard time. Whew. Big female, man.
You letting go?
I'm wet, man. Yeah, go.
No, it's gonna be murky. Ooh.
Oh, laki din.
Ooh, jumper.
God, man. Oh, I think that's one is going back, eh?
Laki.
Bulag, pre. Bulag siya. Here you go, guys. We have a fish now. Yeah. And at the same time filming myself. Okay, you stay on the side for a sec. Hold on. There you go. What a pretty meal. Amin. Combination of raw bag and pearl beer. There you go. Nice one for the day. There you go, bye-bye. You know. Nice. What did you catch it with? Raw bag also?
Yeah.
Nice.
First cast this morning.
Oh, really?
First cast, and then
Awesome.
yeah,
By the way, guys, we have a new friend. This is Kilmore. Nice. Sorry, Romel, Sean. I have a new friend now. you have a replacement. There you go, boy.
Oh man, it is in there good. There.
Oh, he nailed it, eh?
Yeah, right in the top of the mouth.
Yeah. There you go. Awesome.